here I have the rest of your assignments. I already gave you 1 and 2 in your English book, okay? So in here you have assignment number 3, which is comparative forms of adjectives in page 247 from your practice book. Again, you can go back to the videos, the other 2 videos, and where I explain this. So here you are going to write the comparative form of the adjective in each sentence. So how do you do that? I already did example number 1 for you. I think that spring feels warm. So how do you write that comparative form? You add ER, okay? You write warmer. And that's from 1 through 4. Then for 5 through 8, I think, you are going to write the comparative form of each adjective. So it says Sally felt miserable. So it says the comparative form. So you're going to add more miserable when she knew she had the flu. Okay? This is where you add more miserable. And for your assignment number 4, you are going to do page 248 again in the practice book. In step number 1, you're going to write the correct form of the adjective in the parentheses to complete the sentence. So I did example number 1. A rose is pretty, but Tom thinks an orchid is pretty. Okay, so how do you write pretty when you're comparing 2 things? You said prettier, you add ER, okay? So that's what you're going to do for this page. That's it. So, and for assignment number 5, you're going to go to page 249 again in your practice book, and I did example number 1 for you. And in here, all that you have to do is that you have a word box, and you're going to read the sentence and fill it out with the correct adjective. So all the adjectives are in order, están en orden. Primero está loudest y después así van el resto de los adjectives according to the sentences. Así que para la primera dice, although many musicians were loud, Donald played the trumpet loudest. Okay, so you're going to choose the correct adjective. Why loudest? Porque lo está comparando a todos los otros músicos, o sea, más de 3. So that's why you put loudest in the on the line, okay?